I'm hiking a couple of miles of the AT with my family. The trail ahead is famously well traveled and very beautiful. Thank you for coming too. Oh, and I'm your host, Carol Kanicki, and this is Grace Garden, the big beautiful garden that we all share. Where did we park?
We parked here.
And
we're walking through to here.
Up to there.
Yep.
So one of the cars is here.
Yep.
And then one of the cars is here.
Yep.
And going this way is going downhill. So
yeah,
we have decided that that's the best way to take this route.
No,
It's me.
Look what you're standing on. Go ahead, miss.
Oh, these are dog-tooth violets. This is some still water.
And there's a spot where we might probably see turtles.
Oh, good.
Sometimes there's turtles. No promise.
and Megan are behind us, and Karen is ahead of us.
The rocks here are smooth. They're worn smooth from years and years and thousands of people's steps. What are these? Look at that.
Flats. So cool when all that floods.
I was just about to say, it looks like it usually has water out there. And look at the rocks.
It's usually grass, but when there's heavy rain, it's like...
This is historic here. And the shiny May apples down there.
If I wrote you a song, if I got every word perfectly weighted on a thin piece of paper, would it make any difference? Would it change for the better? If I wrote you a poem, if I posted a
Oh, here comes the boardwalk. This is gonna be good.
Is it maybe because I never knew quite where I was, and suddenly you
There's a bridge we're gonna cross
told me
over.
maybe you're lost,
Is that where the turtles are?
but I am too. Whatever the cost,
Turtles are like...
we'll make it through. Tell me you're the one for me now, 'cause what am I supposed to do? If you are not the one for me, then tell me now what I could do. If I told you that I
Oh, you guys are moving the bridge.
don't know where I'm going, don't know what to say, but I go without knowing.
I feel like Johnny Depp.
I don't know what to believe in, don't know how to pray, but I pray anyway. Tell me you're the one for me now, 'cause what am I supposed to do? If you are not the one for me, then tell me now what I could do. Tell me you're the one for me now. I pray that you believe it too.
thanks for being here today. Please make sure you're subscribed. It really means the world to me. And until next episode, bye for now.